Hello, Dr. David. Yes, I'm doing the scientist research of the seaside of the glass and can or cannot going of the sea water. Yeah, this is the hebros. I take this hebros and more green. Yeah, Dr. David. Notice. And now I go to the near the here glass. I take the bookmark. Yeah, I found a orange juice. I take the bookmark here. Here is the CSI water. They have no planets here. Yes, but over there have the planets, the glasses, and I see a deathfish. This is a shark. This is a shark. The shark, small shark. Yeah. Here, I take the bookmark here. Put it here. Here, I put the bookmark. Yeah, here. Don't have to wait. Now you see, the mark point out the temple. The temple. I point out the temple. Yes, now you can see the orange one is the temple. Here, temple. Yeah, we go to see here. We go to see. Yeah, you can see. We go to see. Here. This is now we can check that day 11th of August 2021. 11th of August 2021. 8030. Yes, I put the C inside for going up. Yeah. Yes, too simple for going up. Yeah, I put all the sea. This is the sea water, not the we drinking water, not the rain. It's the sea water. This is the Pacific Ocean Sea water. So I need to for the test. Can or cannot. 2 weeks 2 weeks later we will have the answer. You will have the answer. We put it here. Put it here. Yeah. Can you see that? Okay. Here. The bottle here. The bottle here. Yeah. We bookmark the day. And the bookmark the day. 11 August 2021. The double check. And the temple, point to temple. We have going the hebros, the glass. We have the around 35 meters, 35 meters to the glasses place. Okay. 2 weeks later, 2 weeks around 24, 25, 26. I will come back here and check the result for the rescue. Treat the earth panning, because here have a lot of glasses. Can if my idea is can be successful, I will collect all the scissors here, and then go more glasses, and then to a lot of countries of the seaside. So send some crews to go for increase the oxygen, because we don't have time, because the